Welcome students. Now we are discussing about manufacturing technology subject, unit number 3, reciprocating machine tool. The topic is grinding process. First of all, grinding process, it means one of the manufacturing process. It will be remove the metal in terms of powder with the help of multi-point cutting edge grinding wheel or abrasive wheel. The individual many number of atoms will be compressed and make a grinding wheel. That grinding wheel having a many number of cutting edge, individual atoms act as a cutting edge and it will be removed in terms of material in the powder shape. And grinding machine introduction. Grinding is a metal cutting operation like any other process of machining removal metal in smaller value. It is one of the finishing operations also. Here don't metal will be removed huge volume. It will remove the metal very small amount. Like grinding process. The grinding is done to obtain a very high dimensional accuracy and better appearance. The accuracy of grinding process is 0.000025 mm. The amount of metal removal from the work is very less. The types of grinding machines: rough grinding machine, precision grinding machine. The rough grinding machine. The rough grinding machines are used to remove stock with no reference to the accuracy of result. The excess metal present on the cast part and weld joint are removed by rough grinder. The main type of rough grinders are hand grinding machine, bench grinding machine, floor stand grinding machine, flexible soft grinding machine, Swiss frame grinding machine, abrasive belt grinding machine. The precision grinding machine. The precision grinding are used to finish part to very accurate dimensions. The main types of precision grinding machines are cylindrical grinding machine, internal grinding machine, surface grinding machine, tool and cutter grinding machine, special grinding machine. The cylindrical grinding machine. The cylindrical grinders are generally used to grind external surface like cylinders, tapered cylinders, face and should of work. There are two types of cylindrical grinding machine: external cylindrical grinding machine, internal cylindrical grinding machine. Shown in the figure for the external cylindrical grinding machine. The surface grinding machine. Surface grinding machine are employed to finish plain or flat surface horizontally or vertically or at any angle. There are four different types of surface grinding: horizontal spindle and reciprocating table type, horizontal spindle and rotary table type, vertical spindle and reciprocating table type, vertical spindle and rotary table type. These are the different types of surface grinding machines are using to metal removal in the different planes. The vertical spindle surface grinding machine, the face or side of the wheel are used for grinding in the vertical type surface grinder. The area of contact is large and stock can be removed quickly, but a crosswise pattern of grinding stitch is left on the work surface. Considering the quality of surface finish obtained, the horizontal spindle type machine are widely used. This is shown in the surface grinding machine for vertical and horizontal type plain grinding machine is. Next, grinding machine operations. The process of grinding is the operation of removing excess material from metal part by grinding wheel made up of hand abrasives. In the kind of operations like types cylindrical grinder, taper grinder, gear grinding and tooth grinding, these are the different kinds of grinding operations are done with the supporting of grinding machines. Cylindrical grinding. The cylindrical grinding is performed by mounting and rotating the work between center in the cylindrical grinding machine. The work is fed longitudinally against the rotating grinder wheel to perform grinding. The upper table of the grinding machine is set 0 degree during the operations. The taper grinding operation. The taper grinding or long workpiece can be done by upper table. If the workpiece is short, the wheel head may be to the taper angle. Another method of grinding external taper is through the face of the grinding wheel by a diamond tool stress to be record the angle. Next, gear grinding. The gear tooth of will be finishing with the supporting of this gear grinding machine. Tooth of gear are ground accurately on gear grinding machine, their shape. And thread grinding. Thread grinding machine are used to grind the thread accurately, the grinding wheel itself to shape to the thread profile. And grinding wheels. A grinding wheel is a multi-tooth cutter made up of many hard particles known as abrasives having sharp edge. The abrasives grinds are mixed with a suitable blended binders which act as a mixture to manufacture the grinding wheel. The solid grinding wheel, segmental grinding wheel and mounted grinding wheel is the types of construction for the grinding wheel. The abrasives, mostly natural abrasives and artificial abrasives are choosing for. The natural abrasives are obtained from earth. They include sandstone, emery. The many materials are available for natural abrasives. Artificial abrasives, silicon carbide abrasives, aluminum oxide abrasives, the main content of artificial abrasive contents. The types of bonds using. The bond is an abrasive standard that is employed to hold abrasive grains together in the form of grinding wheel. There are several types of bonding materials are having for the manufacturing of grinding wheel, the supporting of mixing hard abrasives in suitable bonding. And different grind values of grinding wheel will be formed and it will be held in hardened one. Then different grade of abrasive wheels will be represent for removing metal in terms of the different processing. For hard abrasives using more number of rough work and fine abrasive wheels will be using for finishing grinding process one. Okay students, thank you.